Routine washing, cleaning, and maintenance of Denyo 220 KVA Production Generator 3. Objective: to ensure that the generator remains in optimal condition by performing thorough cleaning and maintenance procedures while avoiding a test run due to the unavailability of the battery. Surface cleaning and exterior maintenance. Remove accumulated dust, dirt, and oil residues from the generator housing using a dry cloth and a mild cleaning solution. Wipe down control panels and vents to ensure proper airflow and cleanliness. Inspect the enclosure for signs of corrosion or wear and clean any affected areas. Apply protective coating or anti-corrosion spray as necessary to prolong the lifespan of the exterior components. Air filter cleaning and inspection. Remove the air filter and gently clean away debris using compressed air or a soft brush. Inspect the filter for excessive dirt buildup, deformation, or damage. Replace the filter if necessary to maintain proper air intake efficiency. Ensure that the filter housing is cleaned and securely reattached. Cooling system maintenance. Inspect the radiator for dirt, debris, or obstructions that could affect cooling performance. Clean the radiator fins carefully using compressed air or low-pressure water spray to remove contaminants. Check coolant levels and refill if necessary, using the recommended coolant type. Inspect coolant hoses and connections for leaks, cracks, or looseness. Fuel system inspection and maintenance. Examine fuel lines, connectors, and filters for signs of wear, corrosion, or blockages. Clean fuel filters to maintain smooth fuel flow. Ensure that fuel connections are secure and there are no leaks. Wipe down surrounding areas to prevent contamination and dirt buildup near the fuel system components. Oil system check and cleaning. Inspect oil levels and top up as required with manufacturer recommended oil type. Check for any signs of oil leaks and wipe away excess oil from surfaces. Confirm that the oil cap is securely tightened and that there are no spills. Clean any oil residue from surrounding engine components to maintain cleanliness. Exhaust system inspection and cleaning. Ensure the exhaust system is free of obstructions or excessive carbon buildup. Inspect the exhaust pipe and connections for signs of rust, corrosion, or damage. Wipe down external parts and ensure ventilation remains unobstructed. Battery terminal cleaning. No battery available. Even though the battery is unavailable, ensure the battery terminals and connections are clean. Remove corrosion from the terminal point and apply protective anti-corrosion grease. Confirm that electrical connections are properly aligned for future battery installation. General safety and structural inspection. Examine bolts, nuts, and fasteners to ensure tight and secure fittings. Inspect wiring and electrical components for signs of wear or damage. Check insulation and protective covers on wiring to prevent short circuits. Ensure grounding wires and safety mechanisms are intact. Note: no test run will be performed during this maintenance session due to the unavailability of the battery. Ensure all inspection results are documented for future reference.